Welcome everyone. I am Thamizharasu, your business coach. Today we are diving deep into understanding and mastering the sales funnel to transform your business conversation rates and overall growth. Let's get started.
1. Understanding sales funnels, the essential guide for beginners. In any business, the sales funnel is a crucial component. It's a model that illustrates the journey a potential customer takes from their first interaction with your brand until they make a purchase. We start with a large number of potential customers at the top or the awareness stage and gradually move them through the interest, decision, and finally the action stage. 2. Key stages of an effective sales funnel. How to navigate them successfully. Knowing how to navigate the stages of the sales funnel can greatly impact your conversion rates. At each stage, you have the opportunity to influence your potential customers with specific strategies that align with their mindset. From creating awareness, generating interest, prompting a decision, and ultimately driving action, we'll look at how you can navigate each of these stages successfully. 3. Strategies to optimize your sales funnel for better conversion. A successful sales funnel is not just about guiding your customer through the stages but also about optimizing for better conversions. This involves analyzing your funnel, identifying gaps or areas of drop-offs, and implementing strategies to fix these. 4. The role of content marketing in nurturing your sales funnel. Content marketing plays a pivotal role in nurturing leads through your sales funnel. By providing valuable, relevant content at each stage, you can guide your potential customers closer to a purchase. We'll explore how blogs, infographics, and videos can be powerful tools in your sales funnel. 5. Leveraging analytics to understand your sales funnel performance. Without data, we're operating in the dark. Analytics provide insights into how your customers are moving through your sales funnel, allowing you to understand what's working and what's not. We'll look at how you can use analytics to measure your sales funnel performance. 6. Sales funnel automation, streamlining the process for efficiency. Automation can streamline your sales funnel process, making it more efficient and effective. By automating tasks such as email marketing and customer follow-ups, you can ensure no leads fall through the cracks. 7. Sales funnel mistakes, common pitfalls to avoid for success. Like any strategy, there are common mistakes to avoid in sales funnels. One of the biggest mistakes is not taking the time to understand your target audience. If you don't know what your audience needs or wants, it's nearly impossible to create an effective sales funnel. Conduct market research, use analytics, and listen to customer feedback to ensure you understand your audience. 8. How social media can fuel your sales funnel, top tips and tactics. Social media is a powerful tool for reaching potential customers, nurturing relationships, and guiding users through your sales funnel. 9. Sales funnel case studies. Examples of successful sales funnel strategies. 1. Netflix's free trial funnel. Netflix effectively uses a sales funnel strategy to convert potential customers. They offer a 1-month free trial, during which users have unlimited access to Netflix's content. By the end of the trial, users are often engaged and don't want to lose access, so they convert into paying customers. 2. Dropbox's referral funnel. Dropbox leveraged a referral sales funnel to grow their user base rapidly. They offered additional free storage space to users who referred their friends. This incentivized users to share Dropbox, and the referred friends entered the top of Dropbox's sales funnel. 3. Amazon's personalized funnel. Amazon excels at creating personalized sales funnels for each user. They use customer data to recommend products, offer deals, and suggest add-on items. This personalization makes each user feel catered to and improves their likelihood of making a purchase. Each of these companies has tailored their sales funnel strategy to their unique business model and target audience. By examining their success, you can gain insights into how to structure and optimize your own sales funnel. That's a quick overview of the sales funnel. There's much more to learn and apply. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe to our channel for more insights and strategies to grow your business. Remember, understanding and optimizing your sales funnel is a key step towards business success. Thank you for watching.